Hello, today can you introduce yourself first?
I'm Diana, 33 years old. I have three kids. My elder is 13, second is 8, the youngest is 2 years old. I'm just experienced here in Macau is cooking, market, cleaning, wash, and pick up the kids, go to school and go to home, then maybe take care if go to the other, what you call this one? Like piano or English, I go there together.
Extra class, okay. So how old is the kid?
The kid is 10 years old.
Only one kid.
Yes.
Okay. So have elderly.
We have elderly too. The popo and the husband.
Mm, okay, so they are
Maybe I
healthy.
go together. Popo is 79. The husband is 83.
Okay, so they need special help or they are healthy.
Medicine can take herself.
Okay,
Then
so
maybe I go to hospital
you assist to
for
go to
the
hospital.
checkup for the I go there.
Mm. Okay, so for the kid, I know you have a coworker. So what is your work and what is your coworker work?
My co-working work is sometimes cooking, sometimes not. Maybe separated, but me I'll always clean, washing, iron the clothes, then pick up the kids. Sometimes she cook
Okay, so it's a
because
big house.
no, just a little 3 room and two restroom, like condominium style.
Mm. Oh, okay. Okay, you already renew, right? You already renew the contract, but now you want to go Hong Kong, right?
Yes,
Okay, why you want to come Hong Kong? You never work in Hong Kong.
I try to work in Hong Kong because I try to find my opportunity here. Because there in Macau, I don't know, my opportunities be stronger there. But
Mm,
I try to find another country.
okay. And I want to know, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, maybe I cook steam food, um, and dry the vegetable, always vegetable, more vegetable than Chinese food.
Okay. How about the coworker? Coworker is Filipino or Indonesian?
Yes, the same Filipino. This
Same
is
here.
my coworker is my auntie, my
Oh,
relative's auntie.
oh, you're relative auntie. Okay, I see. So you are sleeping in living room. You don't have your room.
No, I'm sleeping in the dining area. When finish it all, then I sleep and dining.
Okay.
I have I have my own what you call this one? The folding bed.
Folding bed. I see. So how is the auntie? Auntie also sleep with you or she has another place?
Sleep outside.
Or stay out?
She yes.
Okay. So for you, it stay in?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I see. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
Thank
Bye bye.